there, everyone. Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing again with another Builderall tutorial video. And in this video, we're going to show you how to build your very own e-learning membership site in under 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into this. So we're going to go right into the e-learning. And we're going to create a new course. We're going to name it new e-learning. Instructor name is going to be Roberto. Category, we'll just pick business and management. Let's go next. We'll do those later. Create a new course. Now, so let's go ahead and drop something in there real quick. All right. Description, how about new e-learning? And then we're going to go down through here. Here you can specify how many hours is the course. We're going to put 60 minutes. Allow, ask questions to instructor. You can allow or disallow. If you allow, I want you to note that they're going to be able to ask questions to the instructor even if someone is not registered or logged in. Okay, just wanted to make sure you knew that. And then you can put the email here where they're going to send the questions to. There's a search bar in the e-learning platform on the top. So if they want to search the platform, there will be a search bar up top. The outgoing email, you have to use a verified email in the mailing box if you want to change this. And this is an email. These are the email confirmation, the confirmation emails, and you know, when the certificate is sent and stuff like that. This is going to be the email that it's sent from. You can put a code, an analytics code, like a Facebook pixel or whatever in here. Here's the instructor area where you name the instructor, and then you can drop an image there for the instructor. We'll drop an image right there, and we're going to put the expertise, maybe PhD in marketing. We're going to go to the next section, which is registration. You can require registration to view the content, or no registration to view the content, or some lessons require the registration. It's your choice here. You know, people can go to the page and they can, you know, view the lessons without registering, or they need to register, or they can see some lessons without registering, but to see the other lessons they have to register. Here you can close the registration, meaning that the only way that someone can register is going through the super checkout. If you have this unchecked, they can register without going through the super checkout. They can register on the form on the home page of the e-learning site. You can integrate social proofing there, and then right here is the URL where they will go to when they're logged out. If there was, you know, if you want to send them somewhere else when they're logged out. Custom registration. This is the checkout page URL where they're gonna, you know, pay for the registration. Right here, you check and uncheck if you want to automatically activate new registered students. So whenever someone registers, they will automatically be activated rather than you having to manually activate them in the system yourself. You require an email confirmation. You can check this to require email confirmation, or uncheck it if they can just register and have access immediately to the course. You can capture the student's email in the mailing box here by clicking this, creating a new reference, naming the reference, clicking the action, which is subscribe, and picking a list. Okay. And then right here, protection settings. What this means is that the only way that this course will show on the web or in a browser is if it's being shown on this domain that you specify right here. Okay. And then so right here, we're gonna skip lessons. Skip the lessons for right now. Right here, you can include frequently asked questions or not, and then you can add the questions right here. Right here, you can include final tests, and you can include the questions, and then you can add a certificate, and then you can email a certificate when they conclude the lessons. Right here in the lookup, right here you can edit the way the course looks, and then right here you can allow the students to actually edit the theme to however they want it to look like. You can display the progress of lessons to the students or not. Right here you have a fave icon, which is this area right here with the little image in the tab. We'll drop something in there. That's the fave. You can customize CSS the way the platform looks like. And then right here on the main page, you can leave it standard, or you can change the main page with an iframe. You basically just put the URL to display an iframe. You can display an image, or you can put an HTML code, however you would like to. So right here, the lessons, you add modules and lessons. So you add a module. So let's just add a module name. Module 1. Description. Module 1. Create the module. And then you go into the modules. You can add another module. You can add a lesson. You can add a lesson now. Name the lesson. We can go with lesson 1. Text before lesson 1. We can make that bold, and we can make it a heading. We can put text after the video as well. And then right here you can add the content. You can add either a YouTube video link, a Vimeo video link. You can upload a video from your desktop or your computer, add it from Vidello, or add a Builderall video. Add it from the Builderall video hosting, which is what we're gonna do right here. First lesson right there, boom. And then you can check these options that you have here. You can add the controls and then create the lesson. You can edit the lesson right here. You can copy the lesson or delete it. When you edit the lesson, you can add dripping content. You can just specify minutes, hours, and days after the student registers for certain content to appear. You can add links to the lesson, files, tests, and you can allow comments. All right. So you save changes. Make sure you save, and then you can preview right here. And then there you go. There is your e-learning site. Module 1, lesson 1. Here's the first lesson. All right. So guys, hopefully this was helpful to you. We thank you for watching the video, and we will see you on the next one. Bye.